In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar date field to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Let's get started by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Over on the right-hand panel, look for the Prepare Form tool. This workspace is designed specifically for building and editing form fields, so once you click it, Acrobat will switch into an editing mode that highlights form elements. If Acrobat offers to detect fields automatically, that's fine. Just continue so you can add your own date field exactly where you want it. At the top, you'll see a toolbar with different field types. Click the Add a Date field icon. It looks like a regular text field with a small calendar symbol, and that's the key difference. This field gives users a clickable calendar picker, so they don't have to type the date manually or worry about formatting. Move your cursor over the page and click and drag to draw the date field box in the exact spot you want. Aim for a size that's easy to click but doesn't crowd nearby text. As you drag, Acrobat may show alignment guides to help you line it up with other fields. You can always resize or reposition the field after placing it, so don't stress about perfection on the first try. Now double-click the field you just placed to open the Text Field Properties dialog. This is where you control how the field behaves and looks. You'll see several tabs, but for formatting the actual date, go to the Format tab. In the Format category drop-down, select Date. Then choose the date format you want from the list, such as month, day, year, or day, month, year. Pick the format your audience expects. Consistency matters, especially if you're collecting dates across multiple forms or from different regions. When you're happy with the format, click Close to exit the properties. Then click Close again in the Prepare Form toolbar to leave editing mode. You're now in the regular viewing mode, which makes it easy to test. Click the new field, and you should see a calendar pop up. Select a date, and it will appear exactly in the format you chose. If something doesn't look right, maybe the format isn't what you intended, just return to Prepare Form, double-click the field, and adjust the settings. That's all it takes to add a clean, user-friendly calendar date field. This small enhancement makes your forms easier to fill out, reduces errors from mistyped dates, and creates a more professional experience for anyone using your PDF.